Siap yang bertuah. Memang kurang ajar. Ini bawa mata layak duduk sini. Something. What you want? You nak gaduh dengan saya? Anytime.
Speak English.
Fuck you.
We will keep America out of foolish, stupid, ridiculous foreign wars.
We have these endless wars that go on for 21, 22 years, spending billions and billions of dollars.
We're getting out of the endless wars.
Great nations do not want to fight endless wars.
They said, he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars.
Our country is winning again. In fact, we're winning so much that we really don't know what to do about it. People are asking me, please, 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 Mr. President, we're winning too much. We can't take it anymore. We're not used to winning in our country. Until you came along, we're just always losing, but now we're winning too much. And I say, no, no, no. You're going to win again. You're going to win big. You're going to win bigger than...
Tako dobro jutro. Pobedio je Trump.
A ona slika koju je Trump objavio, sram ih bilo sve, ova slika, sram ih bilo sve.
Pobedio je srpski Trump. Evo ja nosim i Trumpovu majicu. Imamo i Trumpovu čokoladu, dobili smo je.
Sam Trump kaže, pre 7 dana razgovarao sam sa Madurom i rekao sam mu gotovo, moraš da se predaš. Kome bre da se preda? Šta je gotovo? Ko ste vi?
Velika stvar za Srbiju, velika stvar za slobodan svet, slobodarski svet.
Danas se desilo poništenje ne Venecuele kao države, nego poništenje međunarodnog prava kao međunarodnog prava.
Dolaze bolja vremena.
Gadna vremena su ovo i gadnija, još gadnija vremena dolaze.
Dolaze bolja vremena.
Gadna vremena su ovo i gadnija, još gadnija vremena.